So here we're going to walk you through how to set up 2FA using Microsoft 365. So once 2FA is turned on for your account and you're logging in, you go to office.com or outlook.com and you click on sign in. And you're used to signing in here. And in this case, we're going to sign in like we normally do. But now that 2FA has been turned on, the next question that comes up says more information required. What that means is you now have to use your phone to be the second factor that's used to let you log in. So we're going to go ahead and set up our phone or using the Microsoft Authenticator to get us secure. So when you see this message for more information, you hit next. Once that happens, Microsoft will then set up and get you started with the app. So at this point, what you should do is go ahead and download the Microsoft Authenticator app from either the App Store for the Apple or from the Google Play for Google. Now, some people use two-factor authentication with just text, but it's actually not as secure. So we strongly recommend you actually use an application of some type. And obviously with Microsoft, Authenticator is your best bet. So at this point, go ahead and download the Microsoft Authenticator app and get it ready on your phone. When you're installing the app, make sure that you turn on notifications and make sure you allow it to get access to your camera. So turn on notifications. You definitely want that. That's when it lets you know that somebody's trying to log in, and it better be you. And make sure you turn on the camera so we can scan a QR code that's about to come up. You can skip all the other prompts that come up until you get to the screen that basically says it's ready for your first account. So it looks something like this screen here. So when you get to this point, you're ready to move on with the steps. So then what you do is you hit next. It says, okay, now we're going to set up an account. It's telling you to set up for authentication. Pick your work from school account. And now this particular QR code is being set up for your account. So at this point, you take your phone out and you'd hit the plus sign right up here on the top right of your account. And after you hit plus, you'll then get something sort of like this. It'll turn into a camera. You'll see this square. And what you want to do is aim that camera at that QR code that's right in the middle. So in this case, the actual QR code is this one. So you'll take your QR code. You're going to take my app right now as we're doing this. I'm going to aim it at that QR code, and I'm going to see what it tells me to do. So I say work or school account, scan the code. It's now scanning it, and now it's added it. So once you get past the scan, you want to hit next. So at this point, it's going to make sure this actually can reach you. So on your phone, you should now see a message that says approve sign in. So it'll look something kind of like that. What you want to do is you want to click on approve. You might have to authenticate again with your thumb if you have that set up, and it should see a little black screen that says approved. And once that's set, we're going to hit next. And because I hit the approve button, it says success, and now it says the Authenticator app was successfully registered. So we hit done. And now at this point, you're ready to log in like every other time. We also recommend that you don't stay signed in, so you want to say no. And at this point, you're into the account. So that's how you set up two-factor authentication for your account.